Good morning, grade 1 students. How are you all today? I hope you all are feeling good. You all are feeling healthy. You all are energetic early in the morning. Yes, ready for your Edward school, ready to learn something, ready to study. Isn't it so? That's great. So now tell me, class, which day are we on? It's the second day of which week? Yes, it's week 18 and we are on the second day of week 18. Correct. Now, today what we are going to do is related to our, again, it's part of comprehension and grammar book, right? Now, first let's play a game so that you all are ready to learn. You all are more and more excited. Yes? Now, we are going to play Simon Says. You know Simon Says, we have done this before in the previous term as well. So, now you are going to listen to what Simon says. Are you all ready? Ready? One, two, three, go. Simon says, close your eyes. Simon says, open your eyes. Simon says, put your hands up. Simon says, put your hands down. Simon says, cry like a baby. Simon says, bark like a dog. Simon says, move your right arm. Simon says, fold it back. Simon says, move your left arm. Simon says, fold it back. Wow, that's great. You all have done a very, very good job. You all followed what Simon said. You all followed Simon's instructions. What were these? They were all the instructions that you have followed. What else do you follow in the class? You all follow your teacher's instructions. What else do you do? On, think about it. You all are doing that from day one. From the first day, remember, I have already explained you what are those. Correct, those were the rules. So let's refresh them. Let's watch a video on, again, that video is our Edward video and that is on your classroom rules. So let's watch that video so that you all are going to refresh that. Can you all see my screen? Great. Let's go. All right. So that means, what was all that? Those were the rules. And you all know those rules very well. You all are following those rules since the first day. Yes? Yes or no? Aren't you following the rules? Yes, you all are following the rules. That's so nice of you that you all follow what The teacher says what the rules are. So that means that you all are following the instructions. You all are following my instructions. Following instructions are very, very, very important. You follow what the instructions are, right? Now, what instructions are there to when you wake up in the morning? What are the instructions that you do in the morning? Do you get up from the bed and have your breakfast? No. So what do? You brush your teeth. There is a proper way of brushing your teeth. Yeah, yes or no? So you follow that. So that means you are following the instructions, you are following the sequence. Yes, like it is not like that you get up from the bed and you go out and have your breakfast. It's not like that. You get up from your bed, you go to the washroom, you brush your teeth, you wash your face, and there is a proper sequence that you follow. Isn't it so? Isn't it so, class, right? So now let's see a presentation on sequencing, how you follow the sequence, how the sequence takes place. Right. So can my board, sequencing means putting events in order. So what comes first, breakfast or lunch? Of course, breakfast comes first. Then, what comes first, caterpillar or a butterfly? Of course, a caterpillar. Now, what do you do first? Do you do the dishes first or you eat your food first? You eat your food first. Then what you do? Getting in the shower first or putting your clothes first? Getting into the shower first. One comes first or two comes first? Of course, one comes first. A baby comes first or an adult? A baby comes first. Great, good job. So that means, so these are these are the events which are in order. So this is what we are going to learn. We are going to learn how to follow the order or instructions, right? But we are going to learn to write those instructions. These are how to follow. So now we are going to learn how we are going to write those instructions. There are particular instructions for everything, like for, as I told you, how there are instructions that what you do when you get up from the bed. There are particular instructions. You are familiar with those instructions because your mom have said those instructions in your mind since the time you were a child, since the time you were a baby. So these instructions are very, very, very clear to you. Isn't it so? Now, let's see another picture. Okay, just a minute. Now, what this boy is actually doing? He is brushing his teeth. So, what do you do when you brush your teeth? Do you just take your brush and start cleaning? No. You wash your hands first, then you take your brush, you wash your brush first. Secondly, then what you do, you take the toothpaste, you put the toothpaste on your brush, then you goggle for some time, and then you take your brush and brush your teeth like this from the front side, from the sides, then you goggle again and you wash your face. So there is a proper sequence, proper way of doing. There are proper instructions of doing the things, right? In the same way, what this man is doing, he is making a sandwich. So what do you do when you make a sandwich? Have you ever seen your mom making sandwiches? Yes. So what you do, you take the bread first, you take out the sandwich spread, you put all the things ready which you need for making sandwich. Like sandwich spread you need a knife, you need a bread, you need a plate, right? So you take your bread out, you take your sandwich spread, take your knife, put the spread on the bread, put another slice of bread, and then make a sandwich and have that sandwich. So there is a proper way of doing that. Yes, class? So you must have seen your moms cooking food. You must have seen your mom cooking making lunch for you for the school, or whenever you go out, she will cook something for you to take it with you. You must have seen that, right? So you must have seen how to, like we have when we were doing about the how to make ice lollies. We have done how the instructions are written over there. Remember, there were at least 10 instructions how to make. So you need to follow those instructions, right? Now, in the same way, like I have shown you the picture, how you are going to clean your teeth or brush your teeth. There are particular instructions, right, that you are going to write. Or first you will wash your hands, then you will take your brush. Second instruction is you take your brush, wash your brush. Third instruction is you put the toothpaste on your brush. Fourth instruction is you goggle for sometimes. Fifth instruction is you brush your teeth from first side, front side, brush it from both the sides, then goggle again. This was the fourth instruction. So you are now brushing your teeth is complete. So that means you have written the instructions in order, in numbers, so that you will follow those numbers. It is not like that you will go in the washroom and then you just goggle and come back. No, you have to follow certain instructions. You have to follow certain rules which are already built up in your minds, right? In the same way, what happens when a person, suppose a person is painting something? What are you going to do when you paint? Do you go and just do the painting like that? No. First, you set up, you take your what you call scrapbook or a paper, you draw something on it, just trace something on it, then you take the paints and paint brush, put the brush in the paint, and then start painting. There are certain rules, there are certain instructions which you have to follow while you are painting. Yes or no? Isn't it so? So I hope you must have understood how to write instructions. You need to write instructions in numbers. First of all, you are going to start by what are the things you need. Right? First, you will start by things needed. What are the things needed for brushing your teeth? You will need brush, you will need water, you will need paste, the toothpaste. These are the things you need. Then comes how to brush your teeth, or you can say the method. Things you need, then comes the method. And method, how you are going to write down in numbers. Number one, first, wash your hands. Number two, like that, like I have explained you. Same goes for making a sandwich. First, you are going to write down the things you need for making sandwich. Then you will write down the method in numbers. This is what you are going to do. Same goes for painting. How to paint. Things you need for painting. Then and then the method. Right? So this is what you are going to do. Now your task today is you open page number 83 of your Nelson English this page. Got it? Now here they have written writing instructions. Now write your own instructions. Here are some ideas of things you could write instructions for. The first one is painting a picture, cleaning your teeth, making a sandwich. Now what you have to do, again the same thing like I have explained you, begin by writing you will need list, like things you needed. Then now draw 4 pictures, each showing the order of what you need. You can draw what to be done. You can draw pictures. You can draw pictures also and then write the instructions according to the pictures. First draw 4 pictures, washing your hands and brush. Second is putting the toothpaste on the brush and then goggling and then cleaning your teeth. That 4 instruction, 4 pictures and 4 instructions. Now they have given the doing words that might help, like put, collect, touch, brush, spread, turn, clean and eat. What are these? These are all the doing words. Why they are doing words? Why we use doing words? Because of course you are doing something. You are doing some actions. You are cleaning your teeth. You are putting the paste. You are putting the paste on the brush, or you are spreading the paste on the brush. Yes. Then you are touching the brush. You are cleaning your teeth, or you are eating something. So these are all doing words. So you have to choose from these three, either painting a picture, brushing your teeth, or making a sandwich. Now, since it's a lengthy task, it's writing as well as drawing. So I'm going to give you at least, let's say, 20 minutes for this task. And I hope you must have understood. Yes, great. And your time starts now. All right, children, time is up. Time is up. Now, let's show, first of all, show me your pictures. Very good. You have written on painting a picture, brushing, very good, and making a sandwich. Very nice, excellent. So that means now in the wrap up session, you are going to read out your instructions for what you have written, starting from painting the picture earlier. What are the things you needed? Paintbrush, paints, paper, pencil. Very good. Then take the paper, draw the sketch. Very good. Second, take your brush, dip the brush in the paint and start painting the picture. Then make a boundary of it with a marker. Very good. Excellent job. I'm very proud of you. Next, brushing your teeth. Okay, things you need. Brush, okay, water and all these which I have written on the board, and read out the method. Wash your hands and brush. Goggle a little bit. Okay. Third is put the paste on your brush and start brushing your teeth. Goggle it now. Very good. Good job. Excellent. That means that writing instructions are very, very clear to you. And what are instructions? Instructions are that we need to follow. And these are all that how we are going to follow the sequence. It means how we are going to follow the sequence in an order, because sequence goes in order starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. Right? Right, class? So I hope you must have understood and you must have enjoyed your class. Okay? Now see you in your science lesson. Bye.